Hi, I'm Ashley. I'm the nurse that's caring for Jessica today. How are you doing?
I'm doing all right. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Do you mind telling me what relationship you have with the patient?
Oh, yeah, I'm like a cousin to Jessica. We basically grew up together. Do you mind updating me on how she's doing?
Oh, awesome. I'm glad to hear you guys are super close. The family has requested that we divert all medical updates to them. So if you wouldn't mind calling them, they were updated this morning and they should have all the most recent medical information.
Are you kidding me? I'm basically Jessica's family because we're cousins. I don't understand why you can't just update me since I'm
I
here.
apologize. The family has requested that we divert all medical updates through them, but you're welcome to stay and visit with Jessica as long as you'd like.
This is ridiculous. I drove 3 hours to come visit her. I demand an update.
I understand that you drove a long way to get here, but I'm not able to provide you with any further of a medical update. Please call the family if you'd like more information.
I will not be leaving until you give me an update.
This is a safe place for patients to be, so I'm going to have to ask you to lower your voice or we will be calling security.
Fine, I will just leave then. This hospital sucks.
All right, take care. Drive safe.